how to draw a garden barn style shed.
We're going to start with the roof right at the front, and we need a kind of a shallow angle triangle like that, little pyramid. And then let's go back. That's going to be the roof up at the top. And this wants to be a parallelogram there, parallel there. And then we want to come down at a slightly steeper angle like that, across there like that. Then we'll go across and up, and then we'll follow. Oh, we need another one down there as well. And we'll follow that down there like that. So this is the barge board at the front of the barn. And then we want a bit of a thickness to that there as well. And a bit of a thickness to the one at the back. Now, in between that line, split down the middle, come down there, and in the between that one as well. And then we'll come across like that. And then this wants to be parallel. So that's coming down there, like that. And in here, we'll go parallel, parallel to the sides, parallel to the side, and parallel to the bottom. So we get a little parallelogram in there. And then 4 little not easy to say, parallelograms in there to make up the window. We'll put those in there like that. Now here we're going to put in the door. So it's like a double door, so that you can get your mower in there, that kind of thing. So it's a garden barn, this really. And I'm going to put in the corner posts as well, like that. And then we can draw a line down the middle. Might be a good time to put in a handle. And then we can draw in the door frame like that. I'm just going to put a flower bed in the background there. It just helps to put the whole thing on the ground. And I'm going to have a little bit of shadow, which helps to put the thing on the ground as well, like that. So the shadow comes around there. A little bit of 3D in there helps as well. And then I'm going to turn the page slightly so that I can draw in all these planks. The whole thing is sort of covered in planks to make up the walls. And similarly here, so I go across from there, use the top of the door to get your angle right, and then these will go up there like that, and then these will come down like that, parallel to the ground. And then we can put them in there as well, and we can add a little bit of thickness and depth to the door by putting that in, set in a kind of a frame like that. And then all we need to do is to put shingles on the roof, and that's doing this kind of loopy kind of pattern like that, which is easier said than done to get it to fit exactly right. And then we're going to do it exactly the same, but going a slightly different angle on this more acute angle, downward pointing roof, shingle roof. And then we might do something with the windows. So I'm just doing these little kind of down lines like that, just to put a bit of sort of shade in the windows. And there you go, how to draw a garden barn. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.